Konnichiwa. There are many uses to the particle no. In this video, I'll be explaining 3 of the main ones. In the first usage, think of no as equivalent to the apostrophe s in English, used to show possession. John-san no ototo, John's younger brother. Watashi no jitensha, my bicycle. Sensei no computer, sensei's computer. Here's a second usage. No is added when using a noun to modify or specify another noun. So here are some examples. In this case, we're going to be looking at books. Which books? What kind of books? Gakko no hon, school books. Nihongo no hon, Japanese language books. J.K. Rowling no hon, J.K. Rowling books. So when you use a noun to specify another noun, we need the particle no added in between. In a third usage, no can be used as a pronoun to substitute a previously introduced noun. Compare the left and the right columns. If we have a delicious cake, a cute dog, and a new library, but the speaker and listener already knows here that we're talking about cakes, then instead of oishii keiki, you can just say oishii no. And instead of kawaii inu, you can simply say kawaii no. A cute dog, a cute one. And a new library, a new one. Atarashii toshokan, toshokan is substituted with no. And note that all of these examples above use i adjectives. Of course, you can do the same pronoun substitution using na adjectives. Here are 3 examples. Genki na inu, an energetic dog, becomes genki na no instead of inu. Rippa na toshokan, a grand library, becomes rippa na no. And kirei na koen becomes kirei na no. Reminder that when you use a na adjective in front of a noun to specify which one or what kind of dog, library, park, etc., you need to add that na in between after the na adjective. One more piece of information when you're doing that kind of pronoun substitution, that no is a no-no. In other words, avoid writing or saying 2 no particles in a row. Okay, you might want to substitute a previously introduced noun with the pronoun no, like we just did. In the following 2 cases, be careful. If you already have a no to show possession, like an apostrophe s, or if you're already using no because you're using a noun to modify another noun, don't add the additional no. For example, if we're talking about brothers, John's brother, my brother, and Megumi's brother, and we all know that we're talking about brothers. John-san no ototo with the apostrophe s, John's brother, just becomes John's. We don't add a second no to replace ototo. And in the example of noun modifying another noun, like Nihongo no hon, Japanese language books, we can just say the Japanese ones. We do not add a second no to take the place of the word hon. I hope that was useful. また一緒に勉強しましょう。